1.1 Characteristics of an organization. An organization. An organization may be defined as a man-made structure established for the purpose of accomplishing its set goals and objectives. An entity that undertakes various programs and activities to fulfill given aims and objectives. In most cases, organizations have a mission, goals, objectives, activities, tasks, and carry out transactions. Mission. No organization is created just for the sake of it. They serve a purpose. All organizations have a mission to attain, often reflected in their mission statement, which defines the reason for their existence. Mission statements are typically documented in legal instruments such as articles of incorporation. Goals. To achieve their mission, organizations set goals that they aim to attain over a specified period. A goal is a long-term general achievement target. For instance, a school may have the goal of improving the passing rate for its pupils at the grade 7 level. Objectives. To achieve these goals, organizations strive to meet several specific objectives. Objectives are measurable actions or series of activities. For example, to improve the passing rate at grade 7, a school might set objectives such as Objective 1. Improve the caliber of teachers in the school over a specific period. Objective 2. Enhance the learning environment in the school. Activities. An activity is defined as an action or set of actions undertaken by individuals or groups resulting in a definable outcome. Each general objective is followed by a series of activities designed to facilitate its accomplishment. For example, activities under Objective 1 could include Activity 1, recruitment of qualified teachers. Activity 2, training of untrained teachers. Activity 3, provision of in-service training for existing qualified staff. Tasks. Within each activity, there are numerous tasks necessary for execution. For instance, in Activity 1, tasks may include Task 1, preparing a job description. Task 2, placing job advertisements in the press. Task 3, shortlisting candidates for interviews. Task 4, inviting candidates to attend interviews. Transactions. For each task to be accomplished, several transactions must occur. A transaction is the smallest activity undertaken in executing an objective. For example, in Task 4, transactions would include Transaction 1, writing letters of invitation to attend interviews. Transaction 2, posting letters to prospective interviewees. Organizational structure. To enable an organization to carry out its activities, an appropriate organizational structure must be established. Most organizations are characterized by a hierarchical structure, with the chain of command flowing from the top to the bottom. The upper organizational units wield power and authority over lower units. An organizational structure typically includes departments, major organizational units responsible for carrying out a significant function. Examples include personnel and administration, accounting and registry. Sections, units within a department that perform specialized functions. For instance, within the personnel and administration department, there could be sections for administration and personnel. Offices, smaller units within a section that perform highly specialized functions. An office may house an individual, usually in a supervisory or professional position, or a group of persons performing related activities. Workstations, the smallest administrative units where individual workers perform their duties. Work done at the workstation is typically transactional. Resources. To carry out their mandated functions, organizations require essential resources. Activity 1. Before reading further, think of an organization and the various activities it undertakes. Identify the resources that may be required for your chosen organization to accomplish its mandate. The resources required by organizations include People. Different classes of people are needed to perform various activities. This includes managerial staff, responsible for interaction between property, capital, and human resources, setting policy, and providing direction through management functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and budgeting. Supervisory staff ensure that management's directives are carried out. Operational staff carry out the specific activities, tasks, and transactions of the organization. Property refers to the physical assets of an organization, such as buildings and machinery, which enable it to conduct activities. Capital, financial resources required to purchase property and hire human resources necessary for executing mandated activities. Information, accurate, relevant, and complete information is crucial for successful execution of activities like planning and decision-making. Information links all organizational resources, making it the most important resource among those discussed. In summary, effective organizational management relies heavily on a structured approach to resources, activities, and information to achieve its goals and objectives.